Dear valued friends, as the holiday season is upon us, we want to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for entrusting us with your credit repair and financial journeys. Wishing you and your loved ones a joyous and magical holiday season filled with laughter, love, and prosperity. This year, as we reflect on the incredible journey we've shared, we are thrilled to see the progress our clients have made on their credit repair paths. Your dedication and commitment have led to positive changes, and we look forward to continuing this journey together in the coming year. In the spirit of giving, we are excited to present you with a heartfelt gift. As a token of appreciation, Expert Financial is offering an exclusive holiday promotion to support our clients' financial goals. Reach out to our dedicated team to discover the festive surprise that awaits you. As we bid farewell to this year, we eagerly anticipate the opportunities and successes that the upcoming year holds. May your credit journey continue to flourish, bringing you closer to the financial freedom and security you deserve. But from all of us at Expert Financial, here's to a wonderful holiday season and a prosperous new year. Thank you, and again, happy holidays from our team to you and yours.